Hi guys, this is Kayla. Thanks for clicking on this video. Today I'm showing you how I did this purple look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, keep on watching. I'm going to start on the eyes, and I'm going to use the Palen Bright On Eye Balm as an eye primer. I'm using a Wet n Wild flat shader brush to apply the eye balm. Next, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Glazed color board. I'm going in with this purple shade right here. I'm going to apply that to the curve of this eye stamp to get the line of where to start my crease. And how I do this is I line the stamp with my inner corner and then press it, and then kind of press it around the edge to make sure it's on. And then I go in with that same shade with a fluffy brush to add more and start working on my crease. Next, I'm going in with the Hikari Butterfly palette, and I'm going into Darling. And take a flat shader brush that's kind of fluffy, and I'm going to blend that in under where I just put that purple. Now I'm going in with the Bia Bombshell Bold Eye Palette. I'm taking this purple right here. I'm just going to work this into the outer edge where I just placed that last color. Now I'm going into the Illamasqua Single Shadow, and this shade is called Alter Ego. I'll be using a pencil brush and applying that on my lid on that outer corner. Now I'm going to use the Venice Fling palette by Bailey Sarian and Estate Cosmetics. I'm going in with roller skates and a precision flat brush. I'm going to apply this to the middle of my eyelid. Next, I'm going back in with the Kaylin Eye Balm and applying that to the inner corner of the lid to do a cut crease. Now I'm going into the Colored Rain Barnyard Soiree palette, and I'm going to use this first shade here with a flat shader brush. Next, I'm going to apply Muse Cosmetics Liquid Luster and Lavender Ice. I'm applying that over the top of the last color I just applied. Now that eye look is done, so I'm going to go clean up under my eyes and come back to do my face. Now on the face, I'm going to start by using Benefit's The Professional. And I'm also going in with the Ulta Beauty Under Eye Primer. Now I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty Color Corrector Yellow. And I'm blending that in with the Complex Culture Foundation Brush. And now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Concealer in Fair Beige. I'm going back in with that same foundation brush. Now I'm going in with foundation. I'm going to use the Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation Drops. And I'm going to mix that with the Garnier BB Cream and the Wander Beauty Catch the Light Lotion. I'm going to mix that on a makeup palette. I'm going back in with that foundation brush to apply that. Now I'm going back into that Wander Beauty Catch the Light. I'm going to use the highlighter stick. Now I'm going to use this domed brush with the Revolution Beauty Banana Light Powder to set my under eyes. Now I'm going in with the Balm Auto Balm Girl Powder Blush Palette. I'm going to use Bourbon Street. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Lilac to Reality with a highlighting brush. Now I'm taking the Revolution Beauty translucent baking powder, the powder brush. I'm going to set my face. Now I'm going in with the Ulta Beauty Blush and Bronzer Duo. I'm using the Shimmer Bronzer with the LaRousse Angled Contouring Brush. Now I'm going in with the Billion Dollar Brows Brow Powder in Taupe with an angled brush and fill in my brows. Now for my lips, I'm going to use the NYC 2-in-1 City Color in 432, the Manhattan Mauve. And I'm going to use the purple side. Now I'm going to add the Wet n Wild lip gloss from the Crystal Caverns collection, and this is in Amethyst. And the last step is to set my face, and I'm going to use the Pixi Glow Mist. And with this, you can see how it's separated. You have to make sure to shake it before you use it. And here's my finished look. If you like it, please like this video. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe.